Assalamualaikum. You are watching Saiban News HD. Now we have some important news.
Adding news from Jeddah, as per our bureau chief Amin Faiz, Saudi ambassador calls on the Prime Minister, Ambassador Nawaf bin Saeed Al Maliki, ambassador of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to Pakistan, called on Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif at PM House in Islamabad earlier today. The Prime Minister conveyed his respectful regards to the custodian of the Holy Mosque, His Majesty King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, as well as to His Royal Highness Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Crown Prince and Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. While fondly recalling his warm and cordial telephone conversation with His Royal Highness the Crown Prince on 24 June, the Prime Minister lauded the kingdom's efforts for peace in the Middle East as well as its significant role in the ceasefire understanding between Pakistan and India. The Prime Minister said that Pakistan had assumed the rotating presidency of the UN Security Council for the month of July and would count on Saudi Arabia's support to ensure that its tenure was conducted smoothly and successfully. The Saudi ambassador thanked the Prime Minister for Pakistan's role for peace and stability in the region.
For more updates, connect with Saiban News HD.